In this video, I'm going to share my 8 insider secrets on how to shop for quality clothes on a budget. Let's say goodbye to overpriced designer items and hello to chic and fashionable clothes. And let's get into it right now. Number 1 on my list, timing is everything. So when it comes to shopping on a budget, timing is really important. Believe it or not, stores run on a very strict seasonal schedule when they will offer sales at particular times of the year. And these sales usually happen at the end of the season because everybody wants to get into the newest, latest thing at the beginning of the season. Okay, we're just into fall right now. Everybody wants to dive in, buy all new fall clothes. But if you wait a few months, those items are all run on a cycle. They have to keep turning the clothes. So those items will become on sale at a certain point in time. So you're going to keep your eyes peeled for end of season sales, Black Friday sales, and other clearance events. And make sure that you're signed up for emails from your favorite retailers so that you can get notified on when they're having these end of season sales. You can score great quality pieces at a really affordable price. And these items will last for years to come. Instead of diving into fast fashion or inexpensive items, you're going to be able to buy quality pieces at a fraction of the price. Next on my list is shop secondhand. Thrift stores, consignment stores, and online resale platforms like Poshmark, Depop, ThredUp, and eBay are amazing resources for quality pieces at an affordable price. Not only will you be able to find unique and vintage pieces by shopping secondhand, but you'll also be able to come across gently used designer items for a fraction of the usual retail price. To me, shopping secondhand is like going on a treasure hunt. You never know what you're going to find. You can keep your options open and really have a lot of fun doing it. And best of all, it's a really eco-friendly way to add new items to your wardrobe. Number 3 on my list is master the art of layering. If you think of your closet a little differently and you think of it as basic pieces that can be mixed and matched, it will allow you to layer your wardrobe and layer your pieces to create a wide variety of options. And by doing that, you are multiplying the amount of clothes in your wardrobe, even though you haven't added anything new. So take a look around your closet and think, what can be mixed and matched in a wide variety of ways? Let's say you go and find your favorite button-down shirt in your closet, and you decide, okay, what can I wear this with? Can I wear it with a blazer? Can I wear it with a cardigan? Can I wear it over a t-shirt, tank top, or camisole? What pants can I wear with it? Can I wear it with jeans? Any of these pants? Any skirt? Any shorts? Think of all the items that you can wear with that one particular item, and you will come across so many outfit ideas. And if you just keep doing that again and again and take pictures while you're doing it, you will come up with tons of outfits that are already in your closet. You don't even have to go anywhere to find new outfits. Just take a look at what you already have. Number 4 on my list is prioritizing quality over quantity. I know it's so easy to get in, especially when they're having their sales. You want to just buy as much stuff as possible for as low a price as you can. But if you rethink how you're looking at those items and what you're bringing into your closet, are you buying the best quality pieces that you can afford that will last for years and that will work back into other items already in your wardrobe? And when you buy cheaply made products, they will wear out quickly. They're only meant to last a season or two. They are not meant to last long term, and they do wear out quickly. There's a big difference between the quality of a fast fashion retailer and a higher end retailer. The products are made with much different workmanship, and that quality piece will last you for years, as opposed to 1 or 2 seasons. Number 5 on my list is shop the sale racks at your favorite stores. Don't be afraid to go dig through that sale rack. You will be surprised at the gems that you can find in that sale section. The trick with sale items is that they're usually going to carry the last season's garments. So when you're shopping, you might even want to think, okay, I'm shopping for these items for next year because they're going to be relevant in, like, okay, we just ended summer, so there might be a lot of summer on sale at the moment. So when you're going and looking at them, don't think, okay, these are going to be perfect for now. You're going to think these are going to be perfect for next summer or even next spring. And you might have to do a little bit more sifting through the items, but think of it as a treasure. Think of it as you're hunting. And I know as women, we tend to love hunting for items. So just relax, see what you find, and anything that you find that is a really great item for you is a treasure that you can purchase. Number 6 on my list is utilize discount stores and outlets. Discount stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Ross offer quality designer pieces at highly reduced prices. So what happens is once the items are on sale in a store and anything they have that's not sold, or maybe a company has made way too much of an item, or it was supposed to be purchased by a department store and got canceled, those are the items that end up at these outlets like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. They will buy the overstocked items and they end up in the store, so you can get really great items, really great quality items at a highly discounted rate. And you can also look for outlet stores. I know there are full outlet malls, and sometimes the outlets will create their own products, but what you want to do is not just find the products that are mass produced just for the outlet store. You want to look for the items that are the overstocks, that are limited, that have come in from the higher end version of that retailer, not made specifically for the outlet. Number 7 on the list is be patient and look out for deals. When you're shopping on a budget, it's really important to be patient and keep an eye out, check things regularly to see how you can get the best deal available. It may take some time to find just the right items you want at the price that you want, but in the long run, it does tend to be worth it. Like I said before, sign up for newsletters from your favorite brands and also follow them on social media and regularly check their websites for sales and promotions. Number 8 on my list, now this one might shock you, is learn some basic sewing skills. My mom was a really good seamstress, and she taught all of her children how to sew. We learned sewing in economics in junior high. And if this was you, put that in the comments below. But it was really helpful because you learned those basic sewing skills. This comes in really handy when you're on a budget, because if you have a broken button or a tear in something, you actually know how to fix it. You don't have to just throw the item away, and it will give new life to your clothes. You can also sew your own clothes. There are so many awesome patterns available and fabrics available to make your own clothes that you can come up with some really great pieces on a budget that will work beautifully with the rest of the items that you have in your wardrobe. Shopping on a budget, absolutely possible. Do you like shopping on a budget? Put that in the comments below. What's your favorite place to shop? Let me know that as well. As always, I'll put links to everything I mentioned in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.